So this is exercise 1.1. Question number 1 for 9th standard. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So yes, answer is yes. 0 is a rational number as it can be written as 0 upon 1. So we can write it as 0 upon 1, which is in the form P upon Q. Here 0 is P and 1 is Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So here 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1, where this is in the form of P upon Q. Don't worry, P is symbol for integer, so 0 is integer. Q is symbol for integer, so 1 is integer. But condition applied. Condition is applied. Condition is here. Q should not be equal to 0, so 1 is not equal to 0. So all conditions are fulfilled by this. So 0 is a rational. Simply 0 is a rational number as it can be written as 0 upon 1, which is of the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q equal not 0. Now we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So here we can again look here. So if I construct a number line here, and we consider this is 0 or this is 3, suppose this is 3 and this is 4. If we consider 3 and 4, so we can get many numbers between 3 and 4. 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, many numbers. So in this way, we can also write as 3.15, 3.16, 3.17, whatever we want. But it should be greater than 3, but less than 4. So many rational numbers are present between 3 and 4. But here we will apply some method to get that. What is that method? First, we have to think what is the difference between 3 and 4. So difference between 3 and 4 is 1. Difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So here 3 can be written as 3 upon 1, 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. Now we have to find 6 rational numbers. So what is the 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 is 7. So what we do? We multiply both 7, numerator and denominator, by 7. So 3 into 7, 3 into 7, 1 into 7, 21 by 7. Here again 4, 4 upon 1, 4 into 7, 1 upon 7, 28 upon 7. Actually, this is 7 3 are 21, 3. This is 7 4 are 28, 4. But we change the form to get the correct answer. So now, I want to find the numbers between 21 and 28. Of course, 21 by 7, 28 by 7. So we can simply write the number between, here in place of 21 by 7, 28 by 7, we can write 3 and 4. Number between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, here 21, after 21, 22, so 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. So what we get? We get 6 rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 27 by 7, after that we get 28 by 7. So this is the 6 rational numbers which are between 3 and 4. So in this way, we can find the rational numbers. Okay, or rational number between 2 numbers can be found calculating average of 2 also. For example, 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is between 3 and 4 because 7 by 2 is 3.5, as we know. 7 by 2, so 3 plus 4, 7 by 2. In this way also we can find the rational numbers between given rational numbers. That we will discuss later. Okay, now find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here again, the difference between 3 and 4 is 1. Here it is in the form of fraction, so no need to write 1 here. So if you want to find 6 rational numbers, so multiply both numerator and denominator by 7. So 3 into 7, 5 into 7. sorry, here how many? Five rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers. So we multiply it by 6. So 3 by 5, 3 into 6. Three. Okay, come to the point again here. We want to get 6 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers, so we multiply it by 6. Remember one more. 5 rational numbers, we have to multiply by 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 by 5, 18 by 30, 4 by 5, 4 into 6, 5 and 24 by 30. Now we can get 5 rational number, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. So this one, we can write here. Okay, so this is the 5 rational number. Now we'll discuss few more questions. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, whole number. I have given the example. I have given the example. Whole number includes all natural numbers. Gujarat includes Vadodara. So all persons who are in Gujarat, okay, that includes Vadodara also. So every natural number is whole numbers. It is right, because whole numbers are all natural numbers including 0. So whole numbers has natural numbers as well as 0. So every natural number is whole number. This is correct. Every integer is a whole number? No, because whole number starts from 0. So less than 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 cannot be whole number. So integers can be positive, negative and 0, but whole numbers are only positive, 0. Thus every integer is not a whole number, as only positive integers are whole numbers. So every integer simply, or we can simply, you can write the answer in your own language. Here integers includes negative integers, negative numbers also, but whole numbers do not include negative numbers. For example, minus 5 is integer, but minus 5 is not whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number, no. Whole number starts from 0, but rational number can be 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 rational number, because integer can be minus plus. So this is false. Numbers that can be written in the form of P upon Q are rational numbers, while whole numbers are counting numbers including 0. So 1 by 2 is a rational number, and clearly it is not a whole number. So thus every rational number is not a whole number. So simply I explain it very simple way. Every natural number is a whole number. No, okay, yes, because whole number includes natural numbers. Group of whole numbers includes natural numbers. So simply yes, because group of whole numbers includes natural number. Okay, so we can say every natural number is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. So no, every integer can't be whole number, because integer can be negative. So if you want to write the answer in simple way for the second, so we can say group of whole numbers is the part of integers. So group of whole numbers is the part of integers, but all integers cannot be whole numbers. We can give the example, minus 5 is integer, but minus 5 is not whole number. And different way we can write rational. Okay, here integer can be positive, negative, or 0, but whole numbers are 0 and positive integers. So every integer cannot be whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. So simply, as we have discussed, so we can say whole numbers, group of whole numbers is a part of rational numbers. So every rational number is a part. Simply, this is one of the parts. So we can say this is just a part. This is a part, okay, of integers. In this way, we have done all the questions answers present in exercise 1.1.